Welcome to Redneck Outfitters One YouTube channel. This is my next project. It's a 1949 8N Ford tractor, and sat on a family farm, as you can see. They actually bought it, used it maybe a year and a half, and the motor blew up on it. So it's been sitting for about 8 years, just out in the weather, and you can see it's needs a little cleanup. But I went ahead and brought it home, bought it off of them, and gonna rebuild it. And I wasn't real sure exactly what I was getting into. Supposedly, one of the pistons had dropped down into the pan. So something's broke on it, but we're going to find out exactly what. And I got it unloaded and started tearing things apart. And of course, something had been living in it since they took the starter out of it and left a hole there. You can see the crud from sitting underneath a tree for several years. But I'm going to be doing a total rebuild on it, so as far as the engine, and so it really didn't matter to me what was going on, but it would have been nice to know exactly what's going on. But we pulled it apart, and there's the nest from, got in the flywheel area, a little mouse or something, and found out that the block is also damaged. It was cracked and had a hole in one of the, there's the reason why it had a hole. But so I found a new block in Pennsylvania and had it shipped out here. It's from a 1946 2N, which will interchange. So I've just been spending time kind of cleaning things up a little bit right now. That block is at the machine shop, getting some final touches done to it, so it'll be ready to assemble whenever I get it back. And just kind of piddling around, knocking the dirt off of it, really, and doing some primer work. I'm going to try to get the mechanical work done before I get too heavy on a paint job. You know, I'm not making a show tractor out of it anyway, so just trying to make it look decent, and going to get it running here as soon as I get the engine block back. So stay tuned for more videos. We got more coming and showing you the progress of what's going on here. And thanks for hanging out with us at Redneck Outfitters One videos.